Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a texturized hairstyle tutorial. So I have seen many of these on YouTube. I've seen them in relation to thick hair, and I wanted to provide one on fine hair because I have quite fine hair. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. So tip number one, guys, make sure that you have an undercut. So what you want to do is you want to go for a deep zero on the sides. The reason we do want to do that is because we want to make sure on the top it shows as much as possible. So if the sides are shaved, it'll show a lot better on the top. So I'm just going to start off with the Aveda Thickening Tonic. This is really good for volume. So if you have fine hair like myself, you may want to use this as a pre-styler. So just going to put all around the hair. Okay guys, so just going to start by building some volume into the hair. So I've put in my pre-styler and I'm just going to use my hand to help create volume into the hair. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've started to build the volume into my hair, but I have left it a little bit damp, and the reason that I have done that is because I want to add some texturizing spray. So I'll be using Mess Head texturizing sea salt spray. So now guys, we're going to go back to the hair drying application, going to make sure we work that texture into our hair. Let's go. Okay guys, so you can see that there's a lot more texture in my hair now that I have used a sea salt spray. Now if you want, you can leave it here. You don't have to use a finishing product if you are happy with this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some powder just to give it that finishing touch. Using Slick Gorilla guys, and this is perfect not just for volume, but it's really good for texture as well, so I'm going to be using this as my finishing product. Just making sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. And just in terms of final adjustments, just manipulate your hair as much as possible until you are happy with the outcome. There we go guys, that's the finishing touch. That's how to get a texturized hairstyle, in particular when you have fine hair like myself. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do leave comments in the comment section. I do want to speak to you all, and it would be nice to see what type of videos you guys want to see next. And until next time, take care.